Okay, so I'm just having a little go of the painting, and I've got to say this paint goes on really, really well. You know, it's just effortless, absolutely effortless, and we're loving the colour. So he wasn't sure what colour to do our decking in, but we've seen this now, so we're thinking yes, we can go for it for the decking as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know me. Get into the groove, get into the groove. Why you gotta prove your love to me? We've got a little friend come to see what we're doing. Oh, it's just flown away. And then just up in our tree, in our palm tree, you can see the bees. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. I'm going to get straight into today's video because I didn't have anything planned for today, but as you can see, we're in the garden and we've been renovating our garden. And we put new decking down, we're doing plant pots, we've got to change all the fencing across here. But today I've got this Emily storage box which I got from Aldi. It's the KETER Emily storage box, and what I'm going to be doing today is putting this together. I think it's more or less straightforward. It says assembly takes 10 minutes, so that's perfect for my kind of video. It's UV protected. It also comes with a lock, I think, or it comes with some sort of lock. And this is the size of it. So it's 117.8 centimeters by 44.5 centimeters by 58 centimeters. So I think it's going to be the right size for our lawnmower. We've actually got a shed that we're going to be putting up as well, but not today. And it's actually in the same brand, KETER. So while we're waiting to put the shed together, we're going to put this together, and that's just going to hold our lawnmower. Because at the minute, our lawnmower is under here, which is our corner sofa. So every time I wanted to sit on the corner sofa, you know, the weather's been quite nice, I'm having to take the lawnmower down and then put it somewhere, you know, on the decking. So I'm going to just build this so I can at least put the lawnmower in it and keep this area free. So I'm going to be assembling this Emily box. I'm going to do it as a temporary measure to hold our lawnmower. And then afterwards, once we put the shed up, we can use this for storage of like garden cushions and so on, like garden toys, you know, all that kind of thing. So yeah, so let's do it. So I've put the sides on, also the bottom of it, and I've also attached the wheels. So this is the KETER Emily storage box all put together. Nice space for garden toys and cushions and so on, barbecue coal, all that kind of thing. Yeah, so that's it guys, all put together, the KETER Emily storage box. I forgot to tell you that it does hold 277 litres. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to bring you some more garden vlogs. Like I said, we've been doing our decking, which is looking very lovely here. We've painted the planters using this Copper Mill Urban Slate colour, and I just absolutely love the colour. And yeah, so stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching, take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on the next video.